High-voltage industrial generator. A high-voltage industrial generator produces significantly higher voltages. Example, 6.6 kV voltage, 10 kV voltage, 35 kV voltage plus than standard generators for powering heavy industrial loads, data centers, or grid applications. Reliable power for demanding uses like large machinery and long-distance transmission. These systems feature advanced control, cooling, and safety features to manage high power and ensure consistent performance.